So today, I'm breaking down all 7 with budget-friendly home remedies that you can actually do at home. Let's get into it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I create skincare, transformation, and content creation videos. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's glow together. Today's video is all about Zhang Miaoyi's beauty secrets. And I'm giving you the complete guide with 7 steps. Step 1. Face pack for her skin.
First up, the most important part, her skin. Zhang Miaoyi's secret is actually simple hydrated, glowing skin with less make. She's not using heavy products. It's all about clean, natural beauty.
Step 2. Hair care tips. Step 2. Her hair. Zhang Miaoyi's hair look is super simple. It's clean, straight, and natural with minimal products. My hair tips for that Zhang look. Coconut oil massage 1 time per week before shower. Use cold water to wash hair, keeps it shiny. Don't overbrush, let it be natural. Air dry instead of blow dryer. The key is effortless beauty. Not trying to look perfect, just clean and healthy. Step 3. Makeup. Step 3. Makeup. This is her biggest secret. She does no makeup. She's not wearing heavy foundation or thick lipstick. It's all about natural glow. Here's what I use for Zhang Miaoyi style makeup. Light pink on lower lash line. This makes eyes look bigger. Minimal base, just a light tint or skip foundation. Focus on hydrated skin. Use moisturizer before anything. No heavy lipstick. Just natural lip color or light tint. Products budget friendly. Woodland or Lakme light pink eyeshadow, 150 to 200 rupees. Remember, less makeup equals more natural glow. Step 4. Pink lips. Zhang has super natural rosy lips, and you can get this too with home remedies. 2 best home remedies. Remedy 1. Turmeric coconut oil, 1 TSP coconut oil. Pinch of turmeric. Mix. Apply for 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water. Do this 2 to 3 times per week. Remedy 2. Sugar honey coconut scrub. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 TSP coconut. Massage gently for 1 minute. Rinse. Do this 2 to 3 times per week. And most important, drink more water. Hydrated lips equals pink lips. Use lip balm daily. Don't lick your lips. Consistency is key. Do this for 1 month and you'll see results.
Step 5. Figure. Look, Zhang Miaoyi's body is soft and natural. She's not trying to be super fit or extreme. And guess what? You don't need to be either. My tips for a natural, healthy figure: daily walking or running. I do this anyway, 20-30 minutes. Balanced diet, more vegetables, less oily food. Drink 3-4 liters water daily. Simple, clean outfits. Zhang's style is effortless. Remember, your body is unique. Don't try to copy someone exactly. Focus on being healthy and confident.
Step 6. Bright knees. This is something no one talks about. But dark knees are so common, especially in my country where we wear shorts and skirts. Dermatologist-recommended remedy. Tomato honey cucumber, yogurt turmeric, 1 tablespoon tomato juice, 1 TSP honey, 1 TSP cucumber juice, 1 tablespoon yogurt, pinch of turmeric. Mix, apply on knees for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Do this 3 times per week. Alternative: baking soda lemon. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 TSP lemon juice. Pinch of turmeric. Scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave for 30 minutes. Rinse. Prevention. Don't sit with knees pressed together. Use moisturizer on knees daily. Wear comfortable shoes. This takes 1 to 2 months, but it works. Step 7. Big eyelashes like her. Zhang has super long, thick lashes, and you can grow them naturally. 4 natural lash growth tips. Tip 1. Brush nightly. Use a clean lash brush every night before bed. Brush top and bottom gently. This stimulates growth. Tip 2. Castor oil or vitamin E. Apply castor oil or vitamin E oil on lashes. Use top-bottom lashes. Sleep with it. Do this every night. Tip 3. Petroleum jelly. Apply before bed 3 times per week. Helps strengthen lashes. Tip 4. Coconut milk. Apply daily with cotton ball. Natural protein for lashes. Time. Give this 2 to 3 months for real results. Don't use mascara daily, it weighs down lashes. So that's it. All 7 steps to glow up like Zhang Miaoyi. Let me recap. Face pack, Saffron Maida. Natural hair coconut oil. No makeup. Pink lips, turmeric coconut oil. Healthy figure walk, run daily. Bright knees, tomato yogurt. Big lashes, castor oil nightly. Which tip are you trying first? Comment below. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more skincare videos, share with your friends who want to glow. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and remember, your natural glow is already beautiful.